If you pay attention to my side view mirror there, you're going to see that black and white vehicle. That is the officer Dan Mack. He is not in his lane at all. You can see where the white line is. He comes dangerously close to that retaining wall. I don't know if he's running my plate, if he is distracted driving, if he's been drinking. I had tried to drive that close to the line after this happened just to see if it was practical, and I did not feel comfortable driving that far out of the lane and that close to that retaining wall. So that's very, very strange what happened. What happened next is he pulled me over, so let's kind of see what's going to happen here.
Let's go, sir. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir, I do. What's the problem?
You had a little bit of trouble coming up to 94 there. You seem to be occupying a few different lanes.
No.
People behind you not knowing where you're going.
Was I driving too slow?
No, you were occupying a couple lanes.
Well, that's not true, but...
Okay.
I have my driver's license, so... There you go, sir.
It's not true?
No, I've got it all on video. I have 3 cameras going here. We can look at all of them.
Okay. No, cars behind you were going opposite ways. You were traveling.
Yeah, they were going slow because I normally drive. I'm a fairly slow driver. Yes.
Okay. Well, they didn't know which way you were going.
I use my turn signal whenever I change lanes.
No, you never changed lanes. You were occupying 2 lanes. You were driving in the middle of 2 lanes.
No, I've got it on video.
Okay.
It's easy enough to see.
All right. How's your driving record otherwise?
Excellent.
Okay. All right. Sit tight for me for a second.
Yes, sir.
I'll be right back with you.
Yes, sir.
Sorry about the delay, sir. I dropped your driver's license.
That's okay. That's okay.
All right, sir. I'm issuing a violation for improper lane use.
Okay.
I'm working alcohol enforcement tonight. You were driving to someone who possibly was under the influence of alcohol. That's the reason I stopped you. You are maintaining 2 lanes, driving under the speed limit.
No, under the speed limit?
Yes.
You cannot go 45 on the expressway?
No, this is back before 94. You were driving under 40. Which is an example of someone who's maybe driving under the influence.
That's against the law?
No. But
so I didn't break any law then?
No, yeah, you did. You traveled in 2 lanes. Cars around you were swerving because they didn't know which way you were going. You were occupying the 2nd and 3rd lane of Southfield.
There's no problem because I have video.
Okay.
I'll go to court and take the video. And there's no problem.
You have every right to do that, sir. All right, 10 days either to pay the violation or to set up a court date.
I'll set up a court date. I'll see you at court.
Take it easy.
Okay, we're looking at the cover sheet of the transcripts that I purchased from my last trip into court. This was a formal hearing. I believe this was my 5th trip into court to get this resolved. This would be the testimony from the officer, and you can pause it and read it. Basically, what you're looking for here is he does give the exact area where this took place, Roosevelt and Southfield, and that I was driving in the 3rd lane of traffic, and then it weaved twice from the 2nd, 3rd to the 2nd. So this is the area in which Officer Mack does swear to testimony that I was improper lane usage. There's Mack on the right in the black and white cruiser. Okay, I'm in the 2nd lane and put on my turn signal. I'm going in the 1st lane. I'm going to slow down just in case he wants to get up in behind me. He'll be doing something wrong. I don't understand what happened to our law enforcement. They seem to have all turned into criminals. So coming up to that intersection that he does describe, right there on the left, that car is making a left turn, and you can see the lights there. That is Roosevelt. So this is the area in which, under testimony, he says I had improper lane usage. It was kind of funny that when we first turned that video on with that forward view, maybe 3 seconds into it, the honorable judge said, go ahead, turn it off. And he had stated that Officer Mack had operated outside of his jurisdiction, that we were actually in Lincoln Park when all this took place. So point A is where this took place. According to testimony, I don't get it.